guys, welcome back to my channel. You are with Locked Up and Free, part of Tillery TV playlist. So anyway guys, so today I wanted to come on real quickly and share with you some updates that I made. So today we are officially 5 months locked today. So we are doing the darn thing, guys. We are almost 6 months locked and I'm really excited about it. So I don't know if you can tell, but I decided to do something a little different with my hair. My hair was already colored, as you know, before I locked my hair, okay? So once I had got my hair colored, and we used a box color, which was the Cream of Nature, and it was a sunshine something. It was a really light color, and that's the look I had when I first came on here with you guys. So anyway, I've been wanting my ends colored, okay? So I'm trying to get my ends, the camera don't want to focus, but I'm trying to get my ends lighter. So what I did the other day, I do have some footage and I'm going to insert that footage for you to look at. The other day I went in here and I had just a small pack of bleach, half a bottle of the developer. So I took that and I mixed it up, guys, and I just made my hair in like little ponytails, and I have a little video clip I'm going to insert either here or here. Alright guys, I am in my bathroom, which I think I need to go in the other bathroom because I think it's a lot brighter. So what I'm getting ready to do, I am getting ready to try and pull some bleach through my ends because I want my ends to have a different color. Not the roots, we're not doing the roots, I'm only doing my ends. So I'm going to try and bring you along for the journey. So I don't have gloves. And I'm not pulling it through all my hair, just the tips. And out. I don't want that, but or anything. I'm just trying to do the tips. I'm praying that the color is bit in there enough to take, because my hair was already kind of colored. So now I'm going to run and rinse it out and I'll be right back. But I pulled it through just the tips of my hair, through the ends. And honestly, I rinsed it out pretty quickly. I got scared because I felt like, oh my God, my ends looked so straight when I had the bleach in it. And so anyway, I rinsed it out really quickly. I don't even think I left it on there maybe 2 minutes, and I rinsed it out. But I still think it was on there long enough to brighten it up just a little bit. So I'm gonna do a little quick span for you all, just to show you my hair. So I did leave it on there just enough to try and brighten it up. And I think it brightened it up some, guys. I'm not sure how bright it did, but I can tell that it did do something to my hair. And honestly, guys, this is something else that I've noticed with my hair. I have, the day that I did it, when I put the bleach in it, I wasn't going to retighten my roots, but then I remembered the last time I retightened my roots had been like a month. And as I began to go through my hair, I did notice that there was enough there for me to retighten. So I went in and I retightened my hair, guys, and I had been wearing my hair flipped to this side. But that is not the side I like to wear my hair on. I love wearing my hair on this side. And I was only wearing it on this side, trying to cover up my edges. So I've been working on my edges, guys. And as you can see, they're not completely bald, but they are, you know, coming in a little bit better. So I've been using the castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil on my edges. And so I've been just massaging it in there maybe twice a day. So yeah, guys, so this is my hair, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I love it, guys. 5 months locked, and it looks so pretty, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are officially 6 months locked as of today. And so the hair is definitely making some changes. So today I'm just gonna show you a few things that I've done with my hair, a few of the changes that I've noticed with my hair. Yesterday, in celebration of my 6 months being locked, and actually 6.5 months locked, because we're pushing August the 1st, and August 17th I will be 7 months locked. So anyway, so today we're going to zoom in, and I want to show you my hair, and I may have to lift my camera up a little bit, guys, just so you can get everything, and I can tilt it down if I need to. All right, so this is my hair. So it's I had to spritz it. I spritzed it just then, and the reason I spritz my hair, I spritz my hair throughout the day, and the reason I'm doing it right now is because yesterday, in celebration of my 6 months lock, I decided that I wanted to color my hair. So I did go in with a Texture and Tones box color, because I was trying to get the ends a little bit lighter than what it is, and I wanted my roots a little brownish. So I'm gonna span now so that you all can see what it's looking like. One moment. All right, so I'm gonna turn, and I have my little dirty mirror here that I'm gonna use so I can try and see the back of my hair, okay? So anyway, we're gonna start here. Okay, let me step out so that you can see all of it. I'm using my camera, my mirror, because that helps me see myself in the camera in the back. So as you can see, this is the back of my hair. This is what it looks like underneath. And so yeah, we're gonna go on around. Okay, so yeah, so this is my hair. This is what we have right now. So again, we are 6 months locked, guys. And what I can notice, what I've noticed with my hair, is that my hair is definitely growing. Now this part right in here, from here to here, it is having a hard time locking. So what I did different this time, when I colored my hair yesterday, I did not put any type of conditioner in there. Now I do have in my spray bottle a little bit of the Talia Wajid leave-in conditioner. I put that much mixed with my water and my oil. So yeah, so this is what my hair is looking like, guys. It has definitely grown. My edges are filling in under here. They look a lot better. And I'm not putting any edge control or anything on. This is my baby lock here. This little thing was really short, so we have some length going on now. So that's looking pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna put a light on because the sun keeps shifting. So yeah, so anyway, this is the color that I have. And when I did the color yesterday, my roots did get darker. Excuse me, not darker, they lightened up. So they're not as black as they were. It kind of made them a little brownish, and I do like that. So guys, I am loving my hair. Again, we are 6 months locked. And so yeah, so that's what it looks like on that side there, where it's having problems locking. Now back here, I'm not having any problems with my hair locking. That is one of the ones that I'm having problems with locking. But here in the back, all of my hair in the back appears to be locked. So again, I spritzed it today. I'll probably be spritzing my hair probably 3 times a day, and that's mainly because I just did the color on it yesterday, and since doing the color, it seems a little bit dry. So guys, I just wanted to show you what my hair is looking like. So yeah, we have some good length going on. It's shaky, it's bouncy, and I'll be honest, I am loving this color, guys. Look at that. The growth is there. It is looking absolutely beautiful. Okay guys, welcome back. It has been a minute guys. The last video we did, we were 4 months locked guys. So today we are, well tomorrow we will be officially 7 months locked. So let me zoom in a little bit guys, because this here is a big occasion because we have reached a milestone. We are pushing 8 months locked, and I'm gonna be honest, this hair, I am in love. I mean, this has been the best journey so far. This has been the best decision I have made so far. So before we get ahead of ourselves, let me go ahead and give you a look at my hair. So I'm gonna zoom in. I wanna get really close because I really want you all to see what we are working with here. I'm gonna try and bring the camera up some. And I will be stepping back so you can see. Got my little mirror so we can kind of like look in the back of it as well. So we're gonna start in the front. So I want you to see, so don't know if you noticed, but with this time around, I decided that I wanted to add a little bit more color to my hair. Guys, let me put my thing where I can see. So what we did was, we have gone in like maybe twice and tried to color this hair. So the first time I did the color, I tightened up my color. We used some leftover bleach that I had. I'm only stepping up so you can see the back, because I do want you all to see the length of my hair and where we're at right now. So this is where we're sitting at guys. 7 months lock. This is what 7 months lock looks like on my hair. You know, everybody's different, but this is what my hair looks like. Now I'm gonna come in a little closer so you all can see what it looks like. The texture, guys, is really something here to behold. I mean, look at this. Look at this hair. I mean, I love it. I mean, I do. So anyway, it is almost dry. I washed my hair today. So I washed my hair earlier today. So it is now about, let me put my glasses on so I can see really well. So my hair is now about, I'll say 80% lock, excuse me, 80% dry. So anyway guys, so this is what we have. We are going into our 8 months. And I am beginning to notice a lot of the different things about my hair. Now, one thing I'm going to share with you, when I wash my hair today, this is as a result of me washing my hair. I'm thinking it has to be. So this is a result of me washing my hair. So as you can see, it is completely loose all up here, but then this is still locked. So what I'll probably do is go in and tighten the roots here. But I'll be honest, I love my hair when it grows out. I like for the roots to look really full. The way it's looking right now, guys, I absolutely love it. There are some more things that I'm seeing with my hair. If you can see that, I am noticing the ends are still not completely locked. And again, this is this 2-strand part here. And then from here down is the interlock. So don't know if you can see that, but that's the interlock. And up in the front is right in here has been my problem area where it has not wanted to lock, and it's been just constantly crawling loose on the ends. So what I stopped doing is conditioning my hair. So for the last 2 washes, I have not put any conditioner in my hair. I have washed my hair and I have put oil in my hair. And the only oil that I am using right now, but right now we are loving this right here. This is the Suave. And this here has castor oil and mango butter. It is a hair and scalp oil. And guys, it has a really, really good smell. It says it has no parabens, no dyes. It's moisture rich and it's color safe for natural hair. And I really do like the smell of this, guys. I love to use it. So I've been putting that in my hair. And I also, something else I was beginning to notice, my battery is dying, guys. So if it cuts off, I'll pick up with my phone and we'll continue. But one thing I have noticed about my hair does not like oil in my scalp. So if I put oil in my scalp, I guarantee you I'm gonna suffer. My scalp will itch like crazy, and it doesn't matter what type of oil. So I don't know what that's about, but I very seldom put oil in my scalp, but I do spritz my hair every morning with oil and water every morning. That's a staple of mine. But yeah, guys, so this is what we have right now. This is just gonna be a little quick update. We are 7 months along, guys. We are fastly approaching 8 months along. So I just want to pull it up so you can kind of see what my hair is looking like. So when I dyed my hair, my roots did get they changed the color a little bit, so they turned a little bit of brownish, which is fine because I was trying to get rid of some of the gray in my roots. But I do love my hair. I'm loving the fact that it's beginning to drop, and I am beginning to get some more thickness. These locks are thickening up, and I am loving them. And in the front, guys, it is finally beginning to thicken up like it should. Now these have not come undone since I took my time to actually retwist them. So far I am loving my hair. We even have some edges growing back in here. So let me try and show you this. As you can see, look at that. We got some hair growing, guys, all in here. So I got some hair coming now. So eventually maybe we'll be able to put a few locks right there, but for right now, we are not going to bother it, and we're going to leave it like it is. So this has been our updated lock video. So this is 7 months lock tomorrow. So we are fastly approaching 8 months locked. So the next video, guys, that we're going to do, the next update will probably be, we might as well stretch it out to 10 months. So we'll do it, it is August, September, October. In November, we'll come back on and we'll do another update video on my hair, guys. But I am loving it, and I can't wait until we reach a year to see what it's looking like and the growth and all of that kind of good stuff, guys. So you have been with Locked Up and Free here with Brenda, and until next time, you guys be safe and stay tuned for some more update videos as time goes on. Okay, bye, guys.